Welcome to Ultimate Max Plus. Now let's start the activation process. Don't forget to choose your activation type, 1 year or 2 years. After activation using your serial number and your information, you will need to wait until the developer approves your payment, for security reasons. After receiving approval from the developer, restart the application to take action. Now that the payment has been approved, you are ready to go. This application can save your precious time and money, as arranging bulk folders for 3ds Max takes a lot of time, especially when organizing your personal blocks with previews for use throughout 3ds Max. The most common problems for 3ds Max block folders are similar to these cases. We will address each case individually to provide solutions. Case 1: not extracted files without preview. We need to extract the files first. You can do this manually, or use my application. Extraction completed. Now you will find two folders, created in the same directory: extracted files and not extracted files. Extracted files contains all your archive files, which have been extracted. Not extracted files contains all your archive files, which have not been extracted. Now for the next step. Click Browse for Max, then select the same folder, which contains the extracted folders. In my example, select the Case 1 not extracted without preview folder. Please wait until the progress bar finishes loading. Do not interrupt the application. In the application, you will receive information about each 3ds Max file, including the name, main folder for each Max file, short render name, new name, and full render name. Let's move on to the next step. collecting, and obtaining render images for each 3ds Max file. Supported image types include JPEG, JPG, and BMP. All images are now renamed with the same extracted folders. Ultimate Max Plus, collecting the best preview image for each file, if there is a preview in the container folder. If you believe there is no matching image for preview, you have the option to directly delete unwanted images from the folder or remove them through the application. Final step. Hit Start to begin creating the blocks folder and collecting. Please wait until the progress bar finishes. This process may take longer time depending on the number of files. After all done, you can now enjoy your organized folders and files. Inside the Blocks folder, you will find 3 subfolders: Maps, Max, and Original Preview Images. In the Original Preview Images subfolder, you will find all the collected preview images. In the Max subfolder, you will find all the collected Max files linked with previews and renamed. Files are renamed with the container folder name and render name. If there are any duplicate files, they will be renamed with duplicated at the end of the file name. The files are ready to be used inside 3ds Max, using 3ds Max Project Manager or Connector. The Maps subfolder contains all maps, textures, materials, and any other needed files for your project. Finish Case 1. Click Exit to finish. Now you can enjoy your organized files. Case 2. Not extracted with preview. In this case, we don't need to collect preview images. Unless you are not satisfied with your preview images. First, extract the archive files. Select the folder that contains the files you want to extract. In my example, Case 2 Not Extracted with Preview folder. After extraction is complete, you will find the folders created. Extracted files and not extracted files. Now let's browse for the 3ds Max files. Select the same container folder. In my example, case 2 not extracted with preview. Please wait until the progress bar is completed. Do not click Get Render Images unless you are not satisfied with your preview images. Click Start to begin collecting all files in the Blocks folder. Now everything is done. Everything is arranged and organized. On the left side, you will find information about everything that has been done and any errors if present. Click Exit to finish. Now, let's start solving case 3, extracted with preview. In case 3, there is no need to extract the files or collect previews. We just need to browse for the 3ds Max files and click Start. Click Browse for Max and select the container folder. In my case, case 3 extracted with preview. Click OK and wait until the process finishes. Click Start and wait until the process finishes. In case 3, extracted with preview, you will find only one folder, the blocks folder, which contains subfolders maps, max, and original preview images. After all done, you can now enjoy your organized folders and files. Click Exit to finish. The files are ready to be used inside 3ds Max, using 3ds Max Project Manager or Connector. Case 4 extracted without preview. In this case, you need to browse for Max files and get render images. Click Browse for Max and select your container folder. In my example, choose Case 4 extracted without preview. Click Get Render Images, and select the unwanted images to delete. If everything is okay, click Done. Click Start to finish the entire process and collect files and folders. The files are ready to be used inside 3ds Max, using 3ds Max Project Manager or Connector. All cases solved successfully. Themes, you can choose between light, dark, or custom.